Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to create a multi-boot USB using Ventoy in Windows. So download the latest version of Ventoy from this link in the browser. Top one will be the latest. Download the Windows version from here and you will get a zip file from here like that. Right click and click on extract all and just choose the location which is provided here itself. Click on extract and it is done. Now it will open up a new window right here. Just close it and here's the folder we want. So open up this folder and make sure you have plugged in your USB pen drive and launch Ventoy to disk from here. Click on yes in the pop-up menu and now here we have the disk listed. In the options you have to make sure the partition style is MBR. Now click on install and click on yes. It will format the disk, so make sure you don't have any important data inside the disk. Click on yes. Click on yes again and it is just doing the things. Ventoy has been successfully installed. Click on OK. Now whenever a new update comes, you just have to launch the disk again from here and click on update if it shows a new version right here. Now just click on close from here and open up the Ventoy disk from here, and you can just copy any of the ISO files right here and they will be booted at the boot menu. So let me quickly copy some of the ISOs. Let's copy them. Now they are being copied and the ISO files have been successfully copied. Let's boot the USB from machine and make sure you disable the secure boot in BIOS settings. If you don't know how to do that, just watch the video in the description. Okay. USB pen drive attached here and let's boot up. Make sure to check the description for boot keys and here it is listed, this one, my SanDisk pen drive. Press enter to boot it up and here it is, Ventoy. I have added these three ISOs into it. Let us boot quickly one of these. I want to boot easy use partition master. Press enter. Now it is booting up, you can see, right? And here you see that it has got successfully booted up. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.